Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. That's ERAU.edu. Find out more about Matt Chapman. Man, I love watching this guy fly. Watch him high and to the left. Jay Rabbit and I both love watching this guy fly. Premier sponsor, Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University since 2007. Marking the 12th year as partners in the sky. Matt and Embry-Riddle put on a great show. 37 years this guy's been flying as a professional. When he finishes up this year, 37 years as a professional airshow performer. Been a pilot professionally since about 1980. I don't know how many hours. 25,000 plus. No kidding. A lot of hours. He's a captain on a Boeing 737, the passenger jet for American Airlines, based just down the road here in New York City. He's competed, though, in 2 World Aerobatic Championships, plus Oklahoma City in 96, then Slovakia in 98. When it comes to aerobatics, Matt Chapman has inspired the best there, truly the best there is in the business. This guy has been doing it, and he's been doing it right for so many years now. You talk to any of the up-and-comers in our business, and they'll tell you Matt Chapman was the guy that got him into it. And it's no question when you see him fly, just why and how he inspired them. But you know, when Matt was a kid, here's something a lot of you don't realize. When Matt was a kid, he was living over in England. And folks, the Red Arrows were the team that inspired him to fly. And how cool is it that today he's going to get to see them again? Matt Chapman at mattchapman.com. The young boy from behind the fence. Now the guy in front of it. Awesome job here by Mr. Chapman. One thing about Embry-Riddle that just amazes me. 2 campuses, right? So if you're a kid here today, 17, maybe 18 years old, want to have a career in aviation, look no further than Embry-Riddle, Matt Chapman's premier sponsor, Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. They can help you out. 2 campuses. One down there in Daytona Beach, Florida. The other one in Prescott, Arizona. Students who need more flexibility, though, they can complete their studies with Embry-Riddle Worldwide, which has more than 150 campuses across the globe. More than 90 are located on military bases. Take all the courses online, even if you need to. That is because they understand the flexibility that you need today. And to be a professional aviator, there's no better place than Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. Matt was even chosen a number of years ago to be the familiarization pilot for the Elite Air Combat Command demonstration pilot. So he would take the Air Force guys up and teach them how to do this kind of stuff. Give them a little taste of what it was like flying a light, highly agile aerobatic airplane. Now watch him as he comes back around here. He's down on the deck, just above the FedEx line there, and here comes the big pull. Now this next figure is one that Matt really enjoys flying. Let's watch him now as he just does this little series of snaps on the upline. Now all the way over though. A little about face for you. Here he is, Matt Chapman, front and center. This is the part that makes the funnel cake do a little something funny when you eat it. I don't know how these guys do this, though, by the way. It pulls so many G's. They're real athletes in the sky. You won't see Matt Chapman, out outside of the gym. This guy he always keeps a good level of physical fitness, just like all of our performers. But watch him on this downline, you'll know why. A little blistering set of aileron rolls coming back down. Golly, how does he keep his head screwed on straight? That's because all of our performers here today, the best in the industry, rehearse and rehearse and rehearse. They do this day in and day out. They've competed at the national and international levels when it comes to aerobatics, precision aerobatics, that is. Truly the best of the best here in New York, and all weekend long. Matt Chapman will be telling you to go by and visit Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University's website. That's erau.edu. Again, erau.edu for more on Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. Matt behind the controls of an airplane called an Extra 300LX. George, do you have any idea what the LX is for? What does that mean? Extra legroom, right? Is that what it is, the Extra 300LX? It's the level of trim. I think that one's got the in-flight entertainment system on it. Watch him on the upline, though. Look how straight that line is. He's just going to pull it up there. He's going to slow it down just a little bit. And watch him as the smoke clears. He's going to back it up a little bit. Now, there's that little pendulum. Oh, that would make Grandma lose her dentures. Guaranteed right there. Watch it on the downside, though. This is the pool. Rocketing skyward yet again. Matt Chapman has another little maneuver up his sleeve for you. Look at that beautiful, just stands on the rudder, repositions a bit. And just hold it there, inverted for you. What a nice job today by Mr. Matt Chapman in Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. Giving the folks down there on the right side of the field a good look. This aerobatic box, that invisible box that's out there, is enormous. From tip to stern, it is a long box, one of the biggest in the business. Everything in New York is bigger, they like to say, right? I think you guys had that line before Texas did. Here he comes, though, back again to Airshow Center. Look at that, the red arrows, the folks that inspired Matt to start flying. Right there on his left side, there's the look at the Embry-Riddle Extra 330LX. The hard pull. Oh, man, those gyroscopics that these guys do today. Matt does it when he flies RC airplanes, too. A lot of the inspiration came from those model pilots. Matt calling it now, so he's going to attempt the knife edge pass. The daring knife edge pass. As they would say in the movie The Great Waldo Pepper, it is the daring low-level pass. Matt changes it up. He's actually going to rotate this thing 90 degrees. The wing providing no lift. He's just going to be hanging it on the rudder pedal back there, little rudder. Knife edge pass there by Mr. Matt Chapman. A difficult maneuver by any standard, but Matt makes it look so easy, showing you that great wing there with Embry-Riddle's name on it. erau.edu. erau.edu. Your ticket to a professional pilot career. Okay, now Matt says this was his last maneuver. Let's see it. He saved it all up here. This is the big finish for Matt Chapman at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. Watch this one. Vertical. How does he do it? I can't figure it out, folks. Matt Chapman, though, at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, a partner that has truly stood the test of time. Go by and check him out at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University at erau.edu. Again, erau.edu. And start your own professional pilot career. You'll be so glad you did, by the way. The statistics that I have heard are just staggering. If everyone who is currently in the pilot training system worldwide were to finish, we would still need 4,000 commercial pilots. We'd still 4,000 commercial pilots. Kids, I'm telling you, if you want to make money and look out a window for the rest of your life and have a great time, become a commercial pilot. Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University can help you do that. erau.edu is the way to do it. There we go, Matt Chapman, bring him out in style. Oh, this is going to be fun.